June here. So today we are going to do a makeup tutorial. So this is my makeup. So if you want to know how I did this without using any brush, so keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start with a bare face. So we start with eyebrow. I use a Woman Cosmetic eye pencil in shade black. I start from the bottom line, so easy for me to get a shape. This eyebrow pencil is so easy to use because it's waxy and easy to draw your eyebrow. Okay, since we're not using any brush, so just take your white tissue and start reshaping to clean up the mess around the eyebrow. Don't forget the other's brow. Okay, brows done. Now let's move on to eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Scanlan eyeshadow triple dome shadow. Just take your time and tap it into your eyelid. This eyeshadow, the color is so pigmented and I'm really enjoying using it, so I'm sure. Okay, take your really good time to apply the eyeshadow around your eyes, into the inner corner, bottom lashes, and yeah, I really love this shadow because the color is really bright and stay in place. For the center eyelid, I use the shimmer maze. I really, because the eyeshadow palette doesn't have any shimmer, so I just bought another palette that all is shimmer on it. So yeah, just apply it in center of our lid and we will see. Okay, don't forget to put a white or maybe pink color. So I use white to brighten up the center of my lid. So it's time for cleaning up. So I use white tissue like before to cleaning up the mess around the eyes. See the difference, right? So don't forget the other eyes. Just take your time to make sure everything smooth and not spreading to others area. That's why I use my fingers to blend it properly. So yeah, we are done. Okay, next step, we doing the eyeliner on our waterline by using the pencil liner in shade brown. Alright, it's time for concealer. I'm using Scanlan 6 color concealer in shade 02. I'm using the yellow one to conceal everything. Also, I use this as a base for foundation since we are not using foundation, so why not we just use that to conceal anything that unnecessary on my face, because I really have a lot of freckles. So yeah, by the way, don't forget to contour since this palette have a dark color, so I use it as a contour. take a small amount of the shadow, then tap it in our cheek. Yay, it's time for highlighter. I'm so excited because I really love this highlighter. Oh my god, I am shocked. Okay, this highlighter is so nice. For lips, I'm using the concealer as the base, the eyeshadow as the color, and the highlighter to make it even pop. Yeah, we are done now. Just put my lashes and I will be right back in a second. Here the final look. Thank you guys for watching, so I hope to see you guys again and see you in the next video. Bye.